ride. Almost at the club.
What's going on YouTube? Welcome back to the channel. Thank you for watching another video here on M54 More. If you haven't already done so, make sure to like, subscribe, drop a comment, and ring that bell. So in today's video, I'll be showing you guys how to change your headliner material. So basically what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna show you everything that I need to do on the headliner. This is the old headliner right here. I don't know what was going on here, but that was not staying in the car. Got everything set up. I've got the material in another room. So I'm gonna show you guys exactly what I'm gonna be doing, and we'll proceed from there. So let's get it. So first thing to do is going to be to remove this material because this is trash or whatever. And then in order to do that, you need to pull these right here, bend these back, and then remove this metal piece. And then once you remove that metal piece, you can peel this off perfectly. And then I'll need to get a brush to rub off all of the stuff that was left on it down here. So let's go ahead and get started. Okay, so I pulled this piece off now, and edges are kind of a little bent, so I might just get a new one, or I may just salvage this one, but we'll see. So now, all that's left before the preparation is to remove the whole headliner. So let me do that now. Okay, so now all this stuff right here has to come off. So in order for it to stick properly, all this has to come off. So I'm gonna go ahead and probably put it on the floor and scrape it properly. But this is gonna take a little while, so I'm not gonna bore you guys with that. But let me go ahead and knock this out. All right, so as you can see here, I removed all the leftover adhesive that was on there. A lot of times people don't remove that adhesive, and that's what causes it to fall back down pretty quickly after changing the headliner. So now I'm gonna go ahead and drop the material on, and I'll show you exactly how I'm gonna do it, and we'll make it quick. Alright, so headliner material is here. So what you want to do is, and also before I actually start, I'm going to cover the floor with plastic, but you roll your headliner material backwards about halfway to right about where the sew is going to start. So right about here, you put it down right there. And then once it's there, you're good straight across. You'll apply the adhesive to this side, and then onto here. You want to leave a good little distance so you're not coming over onto the rest of the headliner. So let's go ahead and put this plastic down so I don't get adhesive on the floor. Alright, so we got our plastic down on the floor so the adhesive won't stick to my garage floor. But let's go ahead and start getting into this real quick. Oh yeah, so this is the adhesive that I'm going to be using. This is 3M headliner adhesive. I'm probably going to need to buy another can for the side trims. But yeah, this is what it is. So I'm going to go ahead and hit the headliner side and go ahead and hit the material side also. So let's do it. Okay, so we got this side done. Pretty quick, pretty easy. Gotta press down everything. So now what I'm gonna do is take this side, fold it over like this. Pull it back to right where that adhesive stopped on the first one. And then I'm gonna go ahead and spray adhesive on the other side and fold it over. So I put the old headliner under it just so I don't get adhesive on the table. But your primary focus when you're doing the second half is right in here. You wanna hit the inside with as much adhesive as possible so that it won't have a space or a gap in there in between where you started in the second portion. So let me go ahead and put the adhesive on this side and then roll it over. Alright, so we've got the main side done. Got all my creases in and everything. Yeah, everything's good. So got all my creases in and everything like that. Just do a little more pressing around it. And then what I'll do next is I'll flip it over and crease the other side. And so what you do when you flip it over is you cut out the little areas like this. I'll cut out like most of this and just leave like about an inch off the edge. So when I spray adhesive on it, I can fold it over and it'll stick. But yeah, over here, once I pull it down on the back, it'll straighten out all these creases. Like that, you see the creases there. Once I pull it down, it'll straighten out all these and it'll be gone once I wrap it around. So yeah, let me go ahead and flip it over, start cutting off some little pieces off of the edges, and then we'll be ready for creasing the back side and adhesive on the back side. Okay, well my camera died and I didn't even realize it, so I ended up finishing up whatever else. Bunch of cuts, little cuts here and there. just to fold everything on the inside where it won't be seen. Still had to get some uniformity here, whatever, but folds, minor creases, these are all on the inside, so all these little imperfections are fine. Got rid of the creases that were on this side here. That little crease, but whatever. So yeah, just cut off all the excess, fold it in. I think I'm gonna get a new piece for right here, a new metal piece, or I'll try to put that one back in. But yeah, came out pretty good. So let's see how the other side looks. This is the other side. All the crevices, you have to press down to make sure everything gets into their proper crevices. Some of these are gonna have the handles where the handles go, so it'll cover up any of this little small stuff or whatever. Not even that serious. But yeah, edges look good. Creases are out. I'm gonna clean up everything, make sure everything is really nice, because I don't like how this got dirty, so I'm gonna end up cleaning that up. Put that piece back in from the back side, and then that's it. Not gonna be putting it in right now because I got more interior stuff to do. So yeah, gonna iron it all out and make it all smooth, and then we'll be done. So this is the before, sunroof all covered up and everything, and just absolutely terrible and tacky. And this is the after. Looks like some type of professional work going on around here, but you know how I do. Well, that's gonna be the end of this video. Thank you guys for watching once again. Always appreciate it. If you haven't already done so, be sure to like, subscribe, comment, turn on the notifications. Catch you guys in the next video. Peace.